Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about helping you reset your life in 1 week. So if you are ready to start fresh and make some positive changes, then keep watching because I have a step-by-step plan for you. The first thing you want to do is declutter your living space. This will help you feel more organized and in control of your surroundings. It can be really overwhelming to declutter your entire house in just 1 week. So I recommend that you focus on one room or even just one small area each day. For example, if you want to focus on your bedroom, you could spend the first day clearing out your closet or dresser. Then you could spend the second day organizing your bedside table and so on. When we are surrounded by a lot of clutter, it can be really hard to focus and feel motivated. So by taking the time to declutter your living space, you will create an environment that is conducive to success. 2. Set some goals. The next step to resetting your life in 1 week is setting some goals. This will give you something to strive for and help you stay motivated. When setting goals, it's important to be specific and realistic. Instead of saying, I want to get healthier, try saying, I want to go for a 30-minute jog 4 times this week. It's also important to write down your goals as this will help you stay accountable. You could write your goals down in a journal or use a sticky note. Just make sure that you can see them every day. 3. Create a schedule. Now that you have set some goals, it's time to create a schedule to help you achieve them. Your schedule should include time blocks for the most important tasks and activities. Make sure to include time for self-care, work, chores, and fun. It can be helpful to break down large tasks into smaller chunks so that they don't feel so overwhelming. For example, if you want to write a 5,000-word essay, you could break it down into 500-word chunks and schedule time to write each chunk. Creating a schedule will help you stay organized and on track. To achieve your goals, it will also help you make the most of your time. Next, learn to say no. One of the best ways to reset your life in 1 week is to learn to say no to things that don't align with your goals. This can be hard, especially if you are a people pleaser. But it's important to make time for what's important to you. If you agree to do something that you don't really want to do, you are taking away from the time you could be spending on things that are more important to you. Learn to say no politely but firmly. You could say something like, thank you for asking, but I'm not able to commit to that right now. Get enough sleep. Sleep is important for our physical and mental health. It helps us restore our energy and focus so we can tackle the day ahead of us. Most adults need around 8 hours of sleep per night. However, some people may need more or less sleep. It is important to listen to your body and get the amount of sleep that you need in order to feel your best. Getting enough sleep can help you reset your life in 1 week by improving your mood, focus, and energy levels. Eat healthy foods. Eating healthy foods can also help you reset your life. In 1 week, when we eat healthy foods, we are giving our bodies the nutrients they need to function at their best. This can improve our mood, focus, and energy levels, which can help us achieve our goals. Healthy foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats should be avoided. If you want to reset your life in 1 week, start by eating clean and giving your body the nutrients it needs. And lastly, connect with others. Connecting with others is important for our mental and emotional well-being. When we connect with others, we feel supported and loved. This can help us through tough times and make us feel more positive. Overall, connecting with others can be done through spending time with friends and family, joining a club or group, or volunteering. If you want to reset your life in 1 week, make an effort to connect with others. This can help you improve your mood and motivation and make the week more enjoyable. So these are some tips on how to reset your life in 1 week. Remember to declutter your living space, set some goals, create a schedule, learn to say no, get enough sleep, eat healthy foods, and connect with others. By following these tips, you can set yourself up for a successful week and beyond. Don't forget to like this video and share with friends if you think it will help them. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.